In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitLab. By the end, you'll have your ClickUp workspace connected to GitLab, so your tasks and code activity can work together smoothly. This is great for keeping development organized, linking commits to tasks, and reducing context switching between tools. First, open your ClickUp account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in through your browser or desktop app. It's best to use an account with the right workspace permissions, since integrations may require admin access depending on your setup. Also, have your GitLab login handy because you'll be asked to authorize the connection in a moment. Once you're in ClickUp, look for the More option in the sidebar or menu. On the web version, you'll typically see it near the lower left area of the screen. Click More, then select Apps. This Apps section is where ClickUp keeps its integrations and add-ons. If you don't see apps right away, try expanding your sidebar or checking your workspace menu. Sometimes it's tucked under additional options depending on your layout or role. Inside the apps directory, locate the GitLab integration. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find it faster. Make sure you choose GitLab specifically, not GitHub or any similarly named app. The tile should clearly mention GitLab and include a short description of what the integration does. Click the GitLab option to open its details page. From there, click Connect. At this point, follow the prompts on your screen. You'll typically be redirected to GitLab to sign in and grant permission for ClickUp to access your account. Review the permissions so you know exactly what's being connected, then approve to continue. If you manage multiple GitLab groups or projects, you may be asked to select which ones you want to connect. Choose the ones that match your workflow and confirm. After authorization, you'll be taken back to ClickUp, where you should see a confirmation that GitLab is connected. If the page doesn't refresh automatically, give it a second or manually refresh to see the updated status. A few quick tips: if you can't find GitLab in apps, check that your workspace plan supports integrations and that you have permission to add them. If authorization fails, make sure you're signed into the correct GitLab account in your browser and try again. That's it. Your ClickUp and GitLab are now integrated, ready to support a more streamlined development process.